In today's video, I'm going to be going over the top 3 niches for you to get into for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Audible ACX for Q1 of 2022. What is going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Dane, and on this channel I talk all about self-publishing books on Amazon, on entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle in general. So if that kind of thing interests you, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. In today's video, I'm doing a highly requested video for 2022 because a lot of people, if they feel like they've missed out on Q4, they want to get a head start on 2022, which is going to be Q1. In this video, I'm going over the top 3 niches, in my opinion, plus a bonus niche for you to keep on your radar for Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing and Audible ACX for Q1 of 2022. Now, these 3 niches, I'm not going to go into specifics like talking about the keywords that are going to work for each of these niches. That's on you to go do the research for, because there's tons and tons of keywords that you can find that are going to be profitable for Q1 for each one of these niches. But I'm going to list them off and give you my reasoning behind it, why I think it's a good niche to look into for Q1 of 2022, and why you should get into it right now. Start working on your books for it, because it's never too early to plan for a certain season in Kindle Direct Publishing, because a lot of people, when it comes to these Q1 niches, they'll start making the books in December of 2022, and it's just going to be too late. You're not going to be able to take advantage of those January 1st sales when it comes to Q1. So since it's October right now, it might be early November when I'm releasing this video. It's important for you to get started with these books right now, creating them, getting them written, getting them prepared for January of Q1 of 2022. So anyways, let's jump into my computer. I'm going to show you the 3 niches plus the bonus niche for Q1. Okay, so we're in my computer now, and as you can see on screen, niche number 1, and these are in no particular order, I just have them listed here, is online entrepreneurship. Okay, and the reason why I put this on here is because when it comes to online entrepreneurship, looking back on 2021, according to a lot of statistics, it has been one of the highest years in forms of people quitting their jobs and working from home. Okay, and when it comes to working from home, usually people are the first thing they're doing is going on Google and looking for ways to make money online. So when it comes to online entrepreneurship, Amazon KDP and reading books about it is one of the best ways for people to learn about how to get started with online business, online entrepreneurship, and making money online. So the main reason why I chose this as one of the niches for Q1 is because not only because so many people quit their jobs in 2021 and they're probably looking for new jobs right now, when it comes to Q1, usually people are feeling more motivated, they're setting goals, they want to achieve those goals for the year of 2022. So during Q1 is a great time to get this kind of book out there, even whether it be a series, a bundle, or just a single book around some kind of topic like Amazon FBA or Kindle Direct Publishing. Even you can make a book about how to publish a book on Amazon KDP. You can make books about Shopify dropshipping, or just starting your own self business like accounting or something like that. Anything in that area that's entrepreneurial is something that I think is going to be a very good investment for you to make a book about for Q1 of 2022. So niche number 1 is online entrepreneurship, and that is why I figure it's good for that. Niche number 2 is the obvious one that everyone already knows about, but I need to put it in here. I can't just not talk about it because it's like the niche when it comes to Q1 of the new year, especially after Christmas. All that kind of stuff is health, fitness, and dieting. Okay, I know that you guys probably already knew I was going to talk about this one. I had to include it in here though, because again, it's Q1. People are motivated. They're setting goals for the whole entire year. They're going on Amazon. They're looking for new diets, new fitness routines, new stretching routines, new health. Just health is kind of fitness and dieting all together. How to be more healthy, eat healthy, how to do a bunch of stuff when it comes to dieting, cookbooks, all those kinds of things are things that are going to do very well in Q1. And I have experience with a lot of these niches from my past publishing businesses. And when it comes to these guys, they always perform well during Q1. So for January, February, March, those are going to be the big months for this kind of niche. So what specific keywords that I've looked into are, when it comes to dieting, definitely doing cookbooks, things like Mediterranean cookbooks, vegan cookbooks, keto cookbooks. I know keto is pretty saturated niche now. Everyone knows about that one. But tons of things when it comes to making cookbooks. And I'm not going to go into detail on all the different keywords you can look into. Just go research it. I'm sure if you look up cookbook on Amazon, there's going to be tons of different keywords that you can get into, tons of different diets, fitness routines. Like I said, stretching for seniors, I know is a very good keyword right now. Home fitness, home workouts, all that kind of stuff are the kinds of keywords that fall within this niche that are going to do very well during Q1. So if you think it's saturated, trust me, it's not. You can go in there and look and find tons of keywords that will do well for 2022. So look into this one now. It's definitely a good time to start looking into it, get the books ready for January of the new year. Niche number 3 is wealth management. So this kind of ties into entrepreneurship and stuff like that, because the main reason I'm talking about this one, and I think it's going to blow up over the course of 2022, is because of just the online business boom that has just taken place during 2021. Tons of people have started online businesses. Tons of people have gotten into cryptocurrency. Tons of people have gotten into NFTs, and they're making a lot of money online, and they're not really sure what to do about it. Okay, there's tons of different legal things that come into there. There's tons of different things that come into this kind of making online money when it comes to taxes and stuff like that. So books about handling your taxes, accounting, bookkeeping, all that kind of stuff, I believe, even right now, is doing very well. Moving into 2022, a lot of people are going to come to realization that they owe a lot of taxes on the money that they've made during 2021. So books that fall within this niche, I believe, are going to do very well. Okay, and there's tons of different ways you can get into this, especially if you're someone who has a background in accounting, a background in taxes. This is the perfect book to make, this is the perfect niche to get into and make a series of books about. Build your personal brand so you can get more clients into your accounting business and make a lot of money from it. Okay, so on top of just making money from your general book about accounting for beginners or taxes for beginners, you can generate traffic from those books into your personal business and get clients to work for you on a month basis. So I believe wealth management is definitely going to be a niche that's going to pop off in 2022. So if those kind of things interest you, make sure you keep this one on your radar for the new year. Finally, we have the bonus niche, which is Valentine's related books. All right, Valentine's Day falls in February, which is the second month of Q1. And there's no better time to start making these kinds of books than right now. And you can make kids books about Valentine's Day. You can do adult books about Valentine's Day, whatever you want to do. You can make books that are related to Valentine's Day and do very well with them, because these kinds of books surprisingly sell very well, especially in the kids niches. Valentine's jokes books, Valentine's riddle books, stuff like that that's just related to Valentine's Day in some way have done very well for me in the past. I know other people have done well with these kinds of books as well. So look into Valentine's niches and see what you can make books about if you're interested in making a couple extra dollars. This might not be like a long-term thing, but you could probably make a couple books about Valentine's Day related things and do very well, because these kind of books sell good during Q1. Anyways, guys, those are my 3 niches for Q1 for you to get into, plus the bonus niche at the end. Niche number 1 was all-in entrepreneurship. Niche number 2 was health, fitness, and dieting. And niche number 3 was wealth management, plus the bonus niche, which was Valentine's related books. So if any of those 4 niches interest you in any way, shape, or form, I highly, highly recommend you get into those guys, get started making them, researching them right now so you can start making some books to get ready for Q1 of 2022. So January, February, March, April, make that money in Q1 by starting to work on them now. Because if you start working on them during December, you're going to be too late, and it's going to be not going to work out for you in terms of sales. And you get those reviews on there before the prime time starts, which is January. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. Before you leave though, if you're brand new to self-publishing and looking to get a head start, there's a link in the description down below this video. It's the first link. It'll take you to my free, 100% free Facebook community. It has over 4,000 people in it. This one, as you can see, is an older screenshot, only has 2,500 in it at the time. Now it has already 4,500 people in it. And the first thing that's going to happen when you join that group, you're going to see at the very top, there's my guide, my 5-step starter guide to getting started with self-publishing. It's 100% free. You can download it to your computer. It's also a great group to post any questions you might have along your way. So if you want to join that, first link in the description. I'll see you in the free Facebook group. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe, drop a like on the video, and hit the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. I try to post new videos every single week about self-publishing, entrepreneurship, and just lifestyle. So again, if that interests you, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.